Hello guys and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Kid Troy. On today's episode, we'll be making chicken tacos. Let's get started. So my dad already seasoned the chicken and put it in a pan. Let's go check it out. Now that the chicken is done, let's get it out of the pan. Now let's let the chicken cool for 5 minutes. There we go. So now we're gonna build the taco. We have tortilla shells, salsa, chicken, green foliage, and cheese. Now my dad's gonna build the taco.
So we'll start with a little salsa, some cheese. Oh, this is hot. Some chicken. I said cheese. Salsa, meat, or chicken rather. There's green foliage. Now this is like kale and string cucumber, just mixed greens. A little bit of cheese. And then you drizzle a little ranch on there. Boom. And there is your chicken taco.
Yummy.
All right. All right, so we've got the salsa laid down. I'm gonna put the chicken on top of the salsa. And we're gonna move over here to our mixed greens, also known as foliage.
Yes.
Get that in there. Just shredded lettuce and kale and shredded cucumber. Sprinkle with a little bit of cheese. Drizzle a little bit of ranch on top.
That kind of looks like a sandwich.
And there is your chicken taco.
Yummy.
It's good, right?
Mm-hmm. So here's our chicken tacos. That looks so yummy. I hope you guys really enjoyed this episode. If you did, leave a like below and smash that like button. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.